Hey everyone! Today we'll be discussing some simple but very effective ways to keep your body healthy and your mind sharp that will all help promote healthier and faster growing hair. Some of these were puzzling. Yeah, not what you'd expect.
This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Breathing exercises are a vital part of Pilates. They help to enhance your overall health and wellness, and can also be valuable for precise conditions like anxiety, asthma, and high blood pressure. One study discovered that people who regularly shared funny content with their friends and family had lower levels of stress and better mental and physical health than those who didn't share humor. If you're feeling stressed, try watching a funny video or reading a funny article with someone you care about. So, next time you're looking for a way to boost your health, don't forget to include some laughter in your life. Sharing funny content with others is a fabulous way to do only that. Chinese cabbages are good for our health. They are an abounding source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This leafy green vegetable is a member of the cruciferous family, which also includes broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts. Like other cruciferous veggies, Chinese cabbage is packed with nutrients that can boost your health. Chinese cabbages are packed with nutrients and offer many benefits, so make sure to include them in your regular diet. There's something about the sound of the wind that just makes you feel sleepier. And according to some studies, that may really be helpful in getting a better night's sleep. One study found that people who listened to recordings of natural sounds like rain or waves crashing on a beach slept better than those who listened to other types of sounds, like city traffic or white noise. So if you're having trouble sleeping, try turning on a fan or opening a window to listen to the delicate sound of the wind.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun. So let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.